Hi friends, it's Becky, and I just got my curated collections from Beads to Live By. The Beads to Live By curated collections are two separate subscriptions. One is for seed beads, and the other one is for 2-hole beads. And I subscribe to both. They also have add-on bundles where you can select some check glass beads to come with it. And this was the fire polish add-on bundle that I selected to go with them. And we've got just some really great like greens and purples and pinks and really springy colors. And I'm really looking forward to making stuff with them. We also got a couple of different shapes in the 2-hole bead subscriptions. So for the seed bead subscription, there are 8 different selections of seed beads, 4 different sizes, and then 2 colors for each of those sizes. So we've got some 6-0 seed beads, we have some 8-0 seed beads, we have 11-0 seed beads, and 15-0s. And then for the 2-hole bead subscriptions, sometimes they'll be the same ones and or same shapes, but they're just different colors. But we're getting some new colors, and we've got a couple or some new shapes this month that we haven't seen in this subscription before. We got the ginkgos, which are new for this year, and the rullas, which are also new for this year. Some tilas or tile beads that we've gotten before in the previous years, and then these two are new for this month. One is these Eva beads, and then we've got some 2-hole bar beads. So let me pull out the empty watercolor palette that I put all of these guys in, and we'll take a closer look at each of these beads and look at all of the different colors and how they go together. So I'm going to start over here with our 6-0 seed beads. We have like a silver lined gray, but it's kind of a pinky gray, maybe a purpley gray. It's got a lot of depth to it, but it's a really great neutral to like tie a bunch of these colors together. And then we've got this pearlescent buttery yellow, almost like a pearl color seed bead, which is really pretty. It's like buttercups. And then we've got some olive green matte 8-0 seed beads. And then we've got some purple lined 8-0 seed beads, and these have softer edges and a shiny finish on them. And then we've got some unlined light lilac purple 11-0s, and then some matte like sort of rainbow olive peacock color 11-0s. And this one actually, it pulls in all of these other colors together. It's like the binder. It's gonna go really well with basically any of these other beads in this collection. And then we've got our 15-0 beads. We've got some silver lined like apricot peachy colored beads down here. And then we've got some really light, soft, pinky rosy colored beads for our last 15-0 selection. And then for our 2-hole beads, we've got a matte purple ginkgo. Our Eva beads are just multicolor, like a metallic mix. And then the Rula beads are kind of maybe a antique bronze color, just a metallic brown that's gonna be a really good neutral to go with all these other colors. And then our 2-hole tile beads have these they're pink colored beads with these like metallic gold splashes and some purpley splashes, and they just look really great. And then our 2-hole tile beads, I didn't have room in this for the 2-hole tile beads. They are this metallic, or the 2-hole bar beads, not tile beads. The 2-hole, they're like a metallic olive color. So we've got some greens to go with this as well. And I think it's going to be really fun with the Eva beads because I haven't really worked with them a lot before. But we'll be able to play around with them and add them to some of our designs that we're making with this. And I'm just gonna grab out a couple of pins to take a look at these because I'm curious as to how they might fit next to the ginkgos. So I've got one of these guys, And I'm just going to put him on here like this with these 2 pins. And then I'm going to pop this ginkgo on with the point towards it. I just want to see how it fits because I haven't done this before with these 2 types of 2-hole beads. All right, so it looks like where they fit, there would be some room between those holes for some 11-0 beads. I think maybe an 8-0. But let me just turn this around the other way because I think it might actually fit better this way. Ooh, yes. There you go. Yeah, I like the way that works together. That actually works together really, really well. All right, so that's going to be a really fun thing to be able to play with. And I also, because Cassandra restocked the those turquoise beads, the purple turquoise composite beads that I made some earrings with them last Sunday, and she restocked them, and I got some more of them. I actually have more over there. And when I opened them up, because they came in the same package to save on shipping and all of that fun stuff, but when I opened them up, I realized like how great they're gonna look with all of these. So whatever I make with these, I'm definitely going to be involving some of these turquoise beads in that design because I think it's going to look really, really great. But let's take a look at the fire polish bundle real quick. Looks like we've got some like smoky crystal. Let's see, is this 9mm or is it 8mm? I don't know. They're pretty big fire polish beads. And then I think these are 7mm. And they're kind of a matte olive color, but we again get more of that green. So we get that it just makes things look like a garden, you know? And then we've got some opaque. This is a good neutral, this one right here. This one's a really light, like topaz color. I don't know if you can see that color back there like that, but it's matte and it has an AB finish. Can you see the AB finish? So these are going to be really great, I think. And then the 4mm fire polish beads, we've got kind of an opaque lilac again with some AB finish. More of this purpley peacocky color. This really gorgeous pink color. It also has a luster finish on it. And then we've got this very light, like kind of an amethysty color, smoky amethyst. That's what I'm going to call it. I'm not in charge of naming colors though, so anyway, that is the Beads to Live By curated collection for April 2024. This wasn't part of it, but I did get it from Beads to Live By, and it's just, they're perfect. I mean, how can I not? It would be rude not to. Anyway, I will put a link in the description to where you can sign up for the subscriptions. There's also on the site, you can buy extras. You don't actually have to be a member of the subscription to be able to purchase extras. But I'll put that link in the description below. And you can check out my playlist to see some of the other things that I've made with the curated collections. And I'll put that link in the description too. And I'm definitely, I already have plans. I already have some plans for what I'm going to be making with these. I think it's going to be really great. Really great. And my 2-hole beads are going everywhere. But yeah, these are going to go really well together. And I hope you all are having a great day. Bye.